Hi, I'm Olu. I'm a part of FRC Team 2826 Wave Robotics, and today I will be showing you how to use the table saw. So safety is always important, so you want to make sure you put on your safety glasses and put in your earplugs. If we walk over here, this is where the main controls of the machine are. So this is to turn it on and off, and this is to actually start the blade and stop the blade. And over here, this is to adjust the blade height. So when you're cutting, you always want to make sure that the splitter and the blade guard are down. That's for cutting and for ripping too. If we are ripping this piece of wood, we would take the rip fence, move it over, align the piece of wood, and then we would make sure to lock the rip fence and then use a guide to be able to cut our piece. But we will be cutting. So we're gonna take our piece of wood. You wanna mark the piece of wood so you know where you're cutting. Put it in the guide, lift it up, make sure it's aligned with the blade, move it back, make sure you have this down. Then you actually turn on the saw and you slowly move it in and proceed to cut your piece. Once your piece is done cutting, then you shut the machine off and you clear the table, and that should be it. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cut. So you wanna make sure that the wood is aligned with your piece marks. You need to make sure that the machine's actually turned on. And then you're gonna turn on the saw. You're gonna let the saw reach full speed. I'm gonna slowly push the piece of wood into the saw, allowing you to cut your piece. And once the piece is fully cut, you're gonna stop the machine. Stop.